Economy plus ecology equals labor savings and less water detergents. The E81 is a professional walk-behind scrubber dryer, ideal for the thorough cleaning of areas ranging between 2,000 square meters and 3,000 square meters. It has a cleaning path of 700 millimeters and is equipped with a twin brush scrub deck, which, combined to a 4 km/h speed, boasts an area coverage of 2,800 square meters per hour. The E81 is a rugged, professional walk-behind scrubber dryer, ideal for the long-lasting, trouble-free scrubbing of areas ranging between 3,500 and 5,000 square meters. It has a cleaning path of 825 millimeters and it's equipped with a twin brush scrub deck, which, combined to a 4 km/h speed, boasts an area coverage of 3,300 square meters per hour. Designed around Eureka's eco technology, both models can be supplied with the exclusive eco system. The range is also available in track configuration. The eco configuration is equipped with a new exclusive ecosystem, patented, which breaks water economy and detergent-saving barriers, and has won several awards, among them the Veneto Sviluppo Award issued by the University of Padua. The system has been designed to guarantee impressive labor-water detergent savings and boasts a productivity rate between 3 and 5 times greater than traditional systems. E71 and E81 are available equipped with the following type of batteries: 4x6-volt gel batteries, 4x6-volt standard batteries. Furthermore, the machines are supplied with a comfortable, easy-to-use onboard battery charger. The frame is rugged, made of durable thick steel, sanded, coated with zinc phosphate and treated with a thermo-hardening powder. Advantage: better durability, 3 times longer than a chassis treated with a standard method. Both scrubbers feature the possibility to adjust the brush pressure either at 40 kilos or at 60 kilos. For this reason, the machines can work on smooth floors, that is, where no abrasive action is required, as well as on rough surfaces. A very important feature: the scrub deck is equipped with a self-adjusting splash skirt, which, besides preventing the dirt water to splash during the cleaning session, allows for water leaking prevention. Being in constant contact with the floor, the splash skirt is one of those components which are most subject to wear. Eureka's skirt is self-leveling to allow for excellent adherence to all floor types, whereas most of our competitors use a fixed rubber band, subject to water leaks when worn. The drying system comprises a floor squeegee. Its shape is of significant importance, as its primary function is to pick up dirty water with the aid of a vacuum motor. It is, in fact, when the drying takes place that work is optimized, as when one eliminates the soiled water, all that is guaranteed to remain is a brilliantly clean and shiny surface. We've equipped our scrubbers with an oscillating parabolic squeegee in order to better convey water to the center of the machine in any working situation, even on sharp turns. The squeegee is tapered at the sides to increase air speed. Our secret, in fact, resides in a small air chamber which maximizes air velocity. The squeegee is mounted on wheels and is equipped with 2 knobs for the adjustment of incidence, angle of the squeegee, to adhere evenly throughout the squeegee, thus allowing equal pressure to the floor, and for the adjustment of pressure to the floor, which can be optimized depending on the type of floor. That is, to increase the pressure in case of uneven floors and decrease it on smooth surfaces. The squeegee can be rapidly released from its support without need of tools. The blades are in Linetex, which offer longer durability, can be used on 4 sides and a higher grip to the floor for an impressive vacuuming performance. While in a standard scrubber, in case of damage to the rubber blade, that is following a hit, it's necessary to replace it, in our squeegee you can continue to use it by turning the rubber 180 degrees and face the damaged side up. The squeegee is equipped with a quick-release device which allows for a faster reversion replacement of the rubber blades. The display is equipped with intuitive, simple-to-use one-touch controls. It includes the exclusive Brush-O-Matic system, which allows for a very fast and precise brush pad replacement without tools. The machines are equipped with a dead man device, which pushes automatically the scrubber forward in case the operator is crushed in a dead end. The height of the handlebar can be adjusted for better operator comfort. There are 2 tanks: the clean solution tank, which contains fresh water plus detergent, and the recovery tank, which picks up dirty water, whose capacity, in the Eco configuration, can be up to 300 litres. The recovery tank can be totally open for inspection and cleaning, while the solution tank is equipped with a steel filter to prevent the passage of debris into the tank. The vacuum motor is protected by a patented device, a dust filter, class USGM. Located within the recovery tank, it protects the vacuum motor from dangerous debris or dust. Designed around Eureka's Eco technology, this model can be supplied with the exclusive Eco system, which allows the multiple use of water and detergent, thus guaranteeing impressive labour, water, detergent savings, and to boast a productivity rate between 3 and 5 times greater than traditional systems. Economy plus ecology equals labour savings and less water detergents.